Hey guys, Alex here again, and I didn't order anything from Ontario, so I guess we're gonna find out what this is. I checked my eBay, and I definitely did not order anything from there. But I did send a package out to a YouTuber there, so I don't know. I really don't know. Christmas here has been pretty good. Roommate's got me a cable box. I haven't watched cable in a long time. And they got my father one of those thermoelectric heated coats for Christmas. Figured he could use the thing since it's got like one of those batteries inside of it that keeps you warm. What in the hell is this? I don't think I ordered anything this small. Unless my SCR3 is actually that small. Yeah, I found a boombox that I had as a child. So I bought it on eBay there, and then I bought another one to for parts. What in the world is this? Wait a second. I don't remember my SCR3 coming from Ontario. Thought it came from Wisconsin. Let's try to save this bubble wrap here. Actually, I'll save you guys the boredom and unbubble wrap it. Well guys, here we go. It's all out of the box here. Only problem is that, well, I knew this from the start, but the tape deck here, the wheel, the rubber must jammed up, and now the spindle doesn't want to turn, but it fast forwards and rewinds just fine. I gotta get some contact cleaner in these, but it works. Other than that, I gotta take it apart, clean it, and yeah, I guess let's do that. Alright guys, well it's been about 15-20 minutes now, and just digging into it. Clean the potentiometers over here, the 3 of them, and found a belt that needs replacing. Because that's not supposed to be that thin, or not that thin, but like, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna go find an elastic band and then see if I can get a tape to work. Alright guys, well it's all cleaned up as far as I could get it. Got in all the switches here and the potentiometers. Only problem is I've got a gummed up idler wheel and a loose belt on the tape counter. But here, take a listen. I'm just playing some dubstep right now. I was just testing the limit of the speakers. They sound pretty good. I'm using a Bluetooth cassette in there. It's pretty good. Now let's go to something you guys actually would like to listen to. Just like every cowboy sings a sad song. Listen to a favorite song. Alright guys, well that's it here. I'm gonna hopefully take this one in for repair or figure out something else here. Because I can't fix the idler wheel and I don't know the size of the belt, so... Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe.